It's time for the next video in the basement fire alarm test series. This is basement fire alarm test 15, and today we have an older Cerberus Pyrotronics style setup. So let's look at the devices. Right here, as you can see, we have a Pyrotronics MS-51 single action pull station. It is an older variation, it just says Pyrotronics on the bottom. So yeah, there's that. Up here we have a Siemens UMMT-S30S, I think is what the model of this is. As you can see, it is a white one with the fire lettering on the side, which is actually a pretty rare combination. You don't see these in white too much, and you don't see them with the fire lettering on the side very much. This one is set on high-low and is being coded to march time by the panel. So you'll be hearing the high tone doing march time, which will sound pretty cool. So let's go pull the pull station. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and reset this just by turning this. It does take a few turns to open up. There it is. Okay, you can kind of see the label's pretty scratched up, but it does say MS-51 on it. I went ahead and reset off camera and changed the tone, so we're going to go ahead and key activate it. So that is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. As always, be sure to check out my GroupMe and eBay. Both help the channel. Thank you and have a great day.